Hello everybody, this is Pam from the Lexington Library. Today I will be sharing a craft with you called marbling. I don't know if you've seen what a marble stone looks like. It's a combination of different colors coming together on a stone to come together and make a beautiful design. So we will be marbling a wonderful mug. This mug came from the Dollar Tree, one of my favorite things of all time. What you'll need for this craft would be a plastic container. You will need a plastic bag, also warm water. You will also need nail polish. Choose whatever colors you like, toothpicks, and with the mug, we'll immerse that into the colors and come out with a beautiful design. Let me show you what I've done before. This is one that I did a couple days ago. It's okay, it was my first try. And here's another one where I use just one color. Today we'll be using two colors because I think two colors makes it a little bit prettier. We'll try the same design that we did before. Okay, we have our warm water. All you need to do is shake up the polish a little bit. Shake up, shake up, shake up. Pour one color in. Just pour it in. Just like so. And now we'll pour in another color. This will give it another dimension of beauty. Okay. Toothpick. You take that and you swirl your colors around in the water. Swirl, 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 swirl. And now we will immerse the cup. We don't want to cause the water to go inside though. Dunk it in, turn the cup up. I dunked it in the water anyway, but that's okay. What you'll do if that happens is take a little nail polish remover and wipe it out. So see how pretty that is? And all the designs are unique. No two will ever be alike. I think I like that. Put it to the side. Notice I have some plastic here to help protect the wood. We don't want to damage the wood, right? Now, that one was blue and green. The next thing we'll do with another container is try a little purple and pink. Pink and purple. Can't beat that, right? So we'll see if we can open it. Okay, now we'll pour a little purple in. Pouring the purple, pouring the purple. Now a little pink. Pink, 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 pink. The pink doesn't want to come out. There we go. All right, now we will swirl it around a little bit, just like marble. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right, we're going to dunk the white cup. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it without making too much of a mess. Ooh, that is beautiful, don't you think? So basically that's it. You want to let these cups dry for at least an hour. I would recommend 24 hours. My hands got dirty. You can put some Mod Podge on the outside of the cups to keep it from being damaged as easily or to seal it. I hope you enjoyed this craft and please come again and watch what we do next time. Thank you.